Well, good morning. It's almost 5 o'clock now. I'm at the world's slowest diesel pump. I've been sitting here for probably 10 minutes and I'm at 8 gallons. But the thing that worries me is these turnpike, I'm on the PA turnpike, these PA turnpike travel plazas haven't been having fuel, so guess I can take what I can get. It's 230 miles to home from here, so just trying to get enough. I had about 3/4 of a tank, so it's in the aux tank right now, but I'm just trying to get enough to get me home, to make sure I have enough to get home. But what is today? Today's Tuesday. Actually, I just got off the phone with, you guys know him, CP Steve Miller, at 4 o'clock this morning. He was broke down at like 3:45 or something. He's about 100 miles ahead of me on the turnpike, but I got that speeding ticket. I got court this morning at 9:30. I should be home at probably 8:30 or so, depending on what time I get home. I'll either, the courthouse is like 10 minutes from the house, so I'll like run home, hop in the mega cab, or just find a place to park this rig and go into court. I do have a change of clothes, at least get some better looking clothes on to go into court. Told my girlfriend I was gonna go rent a tux and wear a full tux into court, but she didn't think that was gonna impress the judge very much. All right, well, we're here to deliver the R8, so we got to back this GTO out. It's actually starting to get a little sleeting here. It's supposed to be a little winter weather today, but we're gonna go ahead and back this out, so then we can get this unstrapped and get this backed out and just pull that right back in. So what I like to do is take my 360 camera, hang it up here. Not only can I get unloading footage, but if I need to, I can hop on my phone and I can watch this wheel well here, especially with something as wide as the rear of that R8. It's just a little added safety precaution that I like to use. All right. Sounds good, doesn't she? Love this red interior.
I saw indeed. We the top 10, UGK the major, Wayne I play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit. Hands on road, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? And he's taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah, it's top 10. Hey, now I'm in blessed mode, did you forget, bro? Put G.O.D. first and nothing less, no. On a radar per release, per request, yo. Life is like a dice game, that's a bet, though. Is you bugging, that's a dub. Shoulder shrug to the stub. Tell them hit the squatty up. See a line of cars meet up. Nah, don't bother us. Windows fogging up. If she in a passenger, then you know she finest. It's really still a bros and my blood love. All is all love. AWD, I got a newer clutch. And my guapi up, you could call me up. Since you know the face and the name, this is us. We the top 10, UGK the major, Wayne I play it don't stop here. Traffic lights.
Well, that's official. First snow falling of the year here. First snow this enclosed has ever seen. Good thing I didn't get the truck and trailer washed last night like I was going to. And yes, this is a heck of a grade we're pulling right now. Gotta love the old 7.3. And I think the right decision was to deliver the GTO tomorrow, because that goes up 81 into PA. And with this snow coming through, I'm not really sure what we'd get into going that far up 81. Well, I'm glad I decided to come home yesterday. That snow actually ended up getting pretty bad. Still got this GTO in the box. The snow ended up getting pretty bad where I was going. Not where I am, but where I was going. I gotta fix this strap. I don't know how it came loose. Oh, I don't know how that came loose. Hold on. Just a minute. Anyways, so instead of dealing with that yesterday, we're just gonna go ahead and go today. Everything's cleared up. It's not snowing or raining here now. The storm had already moved through, which is good. But we got to about 3 hours north from here. Maybe a little less than 3 hours. We're just gotta get this GTO dropped off, and I'm just gonna come home. I've got other work that's lining up. There's no use in trying to find cars for 200 bucks a piece or something to come back towards town. So get this dropped off, come home, and we'll probably be switching to the flatbed. Nope, GTO delivery. This thing warm up a little bit. A little chilly up here in Pennsylvania. Snow on the ground. Well, we're bouncing our way back home. I say bouncing, we're getting on 83 South, and these roads are just rough. Guess it's better than Michigan was, but anyways, so we are 68 miles from the house, and we're done for the week. We'll be done for the week by 3 p.m. on Wednesday, which is it's nice. Nice to be able to get a little time off. I got to get some equipment ready for next week. Next week's going to be another 3-day sprint as well because of Thanksgiving. I've got a 1-pick 3-drop in Connecticut. I've got the numbers here. The 1 drop, and then 10 miles to another, and then looks like 50 miles to another drop. So it's a very profitable load. It'll be like I'm trying to do some math here. Be like 400 and some odd miles. It'll be like $5 a mile, all miles, somewhere around there, which is good. Start that out, and then I gotta get. The plan is to get from Connecticut to Statesville, North Carolina, for another freight load. So if I get delivered, I'm getting loaded Monday morning, which not ideal. I could get loaded Friday, but my trailer has to be empty for Saturday for the annual parade. I always haul like the boys baseball team in the parade. I've done it for like the last 4 or 5 years probably, and it's a given. So I want to have my trailer empty. I'm gonna get the truck and trailer cleaned. Probably put the mega cab in, and obviously the gator. So get loaded Monday, and then I hope to get delivered all 3 on Monday. But it's like 300. The farthest one away is 375 miles, so I don't think we'll get that one delivered, which is okay, because then if we get delivered Tuesday morning, get picked up Tuesday, whether it be cars or freight. I haven't really looked. I looked at Central to see if there's anything booking for next week that wasn't ready yet, just so I had it definite, but there's nothing that's really, nothing I saw that I was waiting for a customer, so they looked for about 5 minutes, but nothing I saw that I was going to jump on. And then I haven't got on the freight board yet, because obviously freight usually doesn't pick up that far in advance. Oh, paper's are falling, unless it's something special, which we'll see what happens. And then I'll get down to Statesville for Wednesday. I have a load of garage doors that come back to town. Garage doors are for that customer that has the beautiful garage with all the classic cars. He owns well, he owns half of our town, but he owns like 4 separate storage unit facilities, and I guess they're building a new one, and he's got an order to pick up that already, and I got to take a cashier's check down with me to pay for the next order that they're going to get started on. So that's good. A car customer, an enclosed car customer turned into a freight customer, and he's a really nice local guy, pays whatever I ask and has a check ready for me as soon as I pick up. So I'm really thankful for that. So next week will be a sprint. We'll get down to Statesville and get back Wednesday. Thursday, Thanksgiving. I'll probably just deliver Friday, I would assume. And that would be the end of the week there. So that's about it. I'll see you guys when we get back. I'm gonna go over those broker numbers. I'm gonna film it today, so it might be tomorrow's episode or the day after. And I also want to go over in a video, I just hit 30,000 miles of fuel data. So I keep track of all my fuel stops, mileage, miles per gallon, cost, all that. And it's been about 30,000 miles. So I want to go over and show you guys what my average cost for fuel is, what my average cost per mile on just fuel is, and I do have my maintenance records in there as well, so I'll show you guys that stuff. But I won't make you guys have to listen to these rough roads all the way back to the house, so I'll see you guys when I